Welcome to our Linux networking tutorial. In this video, we'll cover configuring network interfaces, inspecting connections, testing reachability, and securing your Linux system with firewall tools. Configuring and securing your network is crucial to prevent connection issues and security risks. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to overcome these challenges using Linux commands and tools. To configure and secure your Linux network, you'll need to understand the basics of networking and how to use tools like IP, SS, ping, and UF. We'll cover these concepts and tools in the following scenes. When working with Linux networking, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls and security risks. Always use secure protocols, keep your system up to date, and monitor your network activity to prevent security breaches. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of Linux networking and how to configure and secure your system. For more Linux tutorials and tech content, subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description below.